How to recover deleted files on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to help you recover deleted files from an iPhone, addressing both accidental and intentional deletions. So if you go to your file apps and then search for the recently deleted section, then you won't find it because it's not here. So one thing that you must do is you must turn on your iCloud backup on. So if your iCloud backup is on, you can go to your Google Chrome and then search for iCloud.com, and there you'll find the drive option. You just have to tap on it and then you will find all the deleted files on here. So that's it. This is how you recover deleted files, by going to iCloud and then tap on it, and then you'll see download a copy option. You can tap on download a copy and then your files will be recovered. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.